Meaning of hill station.
Hill station.
Hill station.
Hill station.
Hill station. A hill station is a term commonly used in South Asia to refer to a town or settlement located at a higher altitude than the surrounding plain or valley. These towns are typically sought after by travelers seeking a cooler climate and fresh air, particularly during the summer months. Many hill stations were established by European colonial powers during the 19th and early 20th century as retreats and summer capitals away from the oppressive heat and humidity of the lowlands. Today, hill stations continue to be popular tourist destinations, known for their scenic beauty, hiking trails, and cultural attractions.